Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn off night light on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. Then from here you have to move on to display. After that you have to click on the night light. Okay, so here is the icon. So if you want to turn off the night light, just click on this icon, turn off now. Okay, and if you want to turn on now night light, just click on the turn on now and the night light will be set on. And if you want to off the night light, you just click on this icon and the night light will be set off on your mobile phone. Okay, you can on off from here about the night light. Okay, this is the icon for the night light. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.